Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove 2 8mm screws and 4 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover and slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Lay the palmrest down, peel back the tape, and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape covering the LCD cable. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Unplug the speakers from the motherboard. Peel back the tape covering the daughterboard cables, flip open the locking clips, and unplug the daughterboard cables from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, and unplug the camera cable from the motherboard. Remove one 3mm screw from the Wi-Fi card. Remove the bracket, and gently pull back or push back to unplug the Wi-Fi card from the motherboard. Remove 6 3mm screws from the motherboard. Gently lift up and pull back on the motherboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Replace the motherboard back into the port slots, And be sure to get all the cables out from underneath. Replace the 6 3mm screws back into the motherboard. Plug the Wi-Fi card back into the motherboard. Replace the bracket, and replace the 1 3mm screw into the Wi-Fi card. Plug the camera cable back into the motherboard. Plug the daughterboard cables back into the motherboard. Plug the speaker cable back into the motherboard. Plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. And be sure to reseat the cable back into its grooves. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the Palmrest cable back into the motherboard. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the palm rest and push down to snap it back into place. Flip the unit back over, and replace the 2 8mm screws and 4 6mm screws into the bottom cover.